Hey you guys, this is Leah. I'm gonna do a little tiny video on sewing knit fabric with no special equipment, no cover stitch, no using a double needle. Since we have our sale going on all women's patterns for the Me Made May, you get 30% off until Monday. Most of them are knits. Knits are what we like to wear every day. They're the most comfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Sorry, I have glitter everywhere. The tension, I like to stick it close to 2. Between 2 and 3 is fine. And then my stitch is number 4, that one on the left, which would be that zigzag. And then my stitch length is a 4, and my stitch width is a 4.5. Okay, I'm trying to get my pedal. Okay. Keep my fabric under there. It's kind of hard to do one-handed without it moving too much, but okay. And then, oh yeah, Ellie? Okay. My mouthy little kid in the background. Okay, so we have a zigzag. Okay, it's hard to stretch with one hand, but I also don't think I changed it to a ballpoint needle. But if you're in a bind, you can use a regular one. But it has good stretch. It's obviously not straight because we did this one-handed. And you can hem any item like this, and you're not going to pop stitches. If you're not using serger and you have a little bit left over, you can trim it close to your stitch line and your hem is done. So, sorry, I have tons of lint. So if you have any patterns you've been eyeballing, try it out and use the zigzag. It works great. See you guys later.